Good morning, everyone. Imagine waking up and starting your day with just one simple glass of a natural drink that not only helps you burn belly fat but also keeps you energized, strong, and healthy. No expensive powders, no fad diets, and no dangerous shortcuts, just one powerful morning ritual. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a unique, natural morning drink that supports weight loss while making sure you never feel weak, tired, or drained. Instead, it fuels your body, balances your digestion, and keeps you fresh throughout the day. Before I share the recipe, let's talk about why most weight loss methods fail. Many people cut calories so low that they lose energy, feel dizzy, or even develop deficiencies. Others rely on diet pills or packaged drinks that promise quick weight loss but end up harming the metabolism in the long run. What you really need is a natural solution that helps your body burn fat while keeping your muscles strong and your energy levels high. And that's exactly what this drink does. Here's what you need. 1 glass of warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just comfortably warm, half a lemon, freshly squeezed. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, organic, with the mother, if possible, a small piece of fresh ginger, grated or crushed, a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix all these together and sip it slowly, right after you wake up and before breakfast. Let's break down why this drink is so powerful. Warm water jump-starts your digestion and flushes out toxins. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, boosts immunity and helps your body break down fat more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar improves metabolism, balances blood sugar, and controls hunger cravings. Ginger heats up the body naturally, improves digestion, and reduces bloating. Cinnamon balances blood sugar and reduces fat storage. Together, these ingredients create a natural fat-burning formula. But unlike crash diets, this drink provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that keep your body strong and energized. By drinking this first thing in the morning, you're telling your body, wake up, burn fat, cleanse toxins, and give me energy. Instead of storing fat, your body begins using it for fuel. Instead of feeling tired or weak, you feel light and active. And instead of struggling with cravings, you feel more satisfied throughout the day. This is not just about looking slim, it's about being healthy, active, and confident. Here are a few tips to make this drink even more effective. Drink it daily on an empty stomach. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. Pair it with a healthy breakfast, like oatmeal, eggs, or fresh fruit. Stay consistent. Results don't come overnight, but within a few weeks, you'll notice a difference in your energy, digestion, and waistline. So there you have it, the best morning drink to lose weight naturally, without weakness. It's simple, affordable, and 100% natural. Remember, losing weight should never mean losing health. With this one small daily habit, you can be slim, strong, and full of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your health is in your hands. Start your mornings the smart way.